When it comes to maintaining the safety, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your property, the condition of your doors can often be overlooked. However, your doors play a crucial role in the overall comfort and security of your home or business in Manassas. Over time, wear and tear can take a toll on even the most durable doors, leaving them less functional and less secure. Here are some signs that it may be time for a new door installation at your Manassas property. Visible damage or wear are one of the most obvious signs that it's time for a new door is visible damage. Whether it's a cracked frame, warping, or holes in the door, visible damage not only affects the appearance of your property but can also compromise its functionality. Cracked or dented doors may allow air and moisture to enter your home, causing higher energy costs and potentially leading to water damage. Warping doors are often a result of exposure to the elements, which can make them difficult to open and close properly. If your door is severely damaged, it's time to consider replacing it to avoid further issues. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door no longer opens or closes smoothly, it could be a sign that its components are worn out or the door itself has settled or warped over time. Difficulty in operation may be the result of damaged hinges, a warped frame, or other internal issues. If the door sticks or squeaks excessively, it might be time to look into a new installation. A door that is difficult to operate is not only frustrating but can be a security risk, making it easier for intruders to gain access to your property. Increased energy bills. Your doors are an integral part of your home's insulation. If you notice that your heating or cooling bills have increased significantly, it might be because your door is no longer sealing properly. Old or poorly insulated doors can allow drafts, which can make your home uncomfortable during extreme weather. Even if you use weather stripping, it can only do so much to prevent air from leaking out. A new, energy-efficient door can help regulate your indoor temperature, reduce your energy consumption, and lower your monthly utility bills. Outdated style or aesthetic appeal. As with anything else in your home, doors can go out of style over time. If your front door or interior doors are outdated or no longer match the style of your property, it may be time for an upgrade. A modern door can dramatically improve the aesthetic appeal of your property and give it a fresh, updated look. Whether you're considering a sleek, contemporary design or a more traditional wooden door, a new installation can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and make a lasting impression. Security concerns. Security is a top priority for any property owner. Over time, your door's lock mechanism, frame, or materials may weaken, making it easier for intruders to break in. If your door no longer provides adequate protection or if you've experienced a break-in, it's essential to replace it with a more secure option. New doors are built with stronger materials and advanced locking systems to provide better security for you and your family. Soundproofing issues. If you're noticing a lot of noise coming through your door, it might be a sign that it's not properly sealed or insulated. Whether it's outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or simply unwanted sounds from other rooms, A new door with enhanced soundproofing features can significantly improve the peace and quiet inside your home or office. Conclusion: your doors are an essential part of your property's functionality and aesthetic appeal. If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above, it's time to consider investing in a new door installation. Whether it's for improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, or simply a fresh look, replacing an old or damaged door can have a big impact on your home or business in Manassas. Contact a professional door installation service to help you select the perfect door to meet your needs and ensure your property remains secure and energy efficient for years to come.